Hello everyone. So in today's video I want to convey a very special message. Alright, so today what I have seen that in almost all the newspapers, everywhere on the news channels, this black fungal disease is trending. Okay, so everyone is showing this black fungal disease and this is creating a lot of problem now. We are recovering from COVID and now every news channel is showing this disease of black fungal disease. Okay, so the point first I want to tell you is that guys, we don't need to panic. Okay, we don't need to panic. This news is just creating a ruckus. It is creating so much negativity. It is affecting only those people firstly who have very high amount of blood sugar, secondly were in ICU or on ventilator, okay, and thirdly who took very strong steroids. Okay, normal people who are fine, who were cured at home, who didn't take steroids, who were not on ventilator support or ICU support, guys, there is nothing to worry. It is not going to affect you. Okay, now what is coming up from the news that everyone who is having COVID will be now going through this black fungal disease. Please do not worry. Please do not worry. It is creating a lot of negativity and we are all scared. Guys, today's time, it is very important to keep your mental health stable. I am telling you, because we are staying back home, many students, many people who are aged, everyone is professionally finding problems. Academically also we are facing so many problems, so because of that it is creating a lot of negativity, and when we see such kind of news, it is actually making us more weak. It is actually causing more problems. So guys, if you are fine, if you were at home, if you are fine at home, nothing will happen. It is only affecting those people who were very weak during COVID, who took very strong medicines, were on ventilator or ICU support. Only those people will face problems, and those people also a very small percentage. We don't need to think that, oh my god, what will happen. I want to tell this that because of this problem, even the people who are fit at home, now they are developing problems of mental health, which is really sad to see. I am really disheartened that how things are being propagated in India, because of which it is creating a very great impact on our mental health, guys. So please do take lots of care. Okay, do take lots of care. Stay happy, stay chill, yaar. I told you, carry a smile, stay motivated, stay positive, keep yourself busy, and refrain from using cell phones to see the news or any media, because this media is creating a lot of ruckus. Okay, and this, what is black fungus, guys? We have defeated cancer by positive thinking. We have defeated cancer, biggest diseases. People, heart patients also recover fast if they are staying positive, if they are maintaining a healthy lifestyle. So guys, stay hygienic, stay back home, and this black fungal disease, this COVID, nothing will happen, guys. Nothing will happen. Everything will be good. So please switch towards positivity. Okay, switch towards positivity and nothing will happen. We are all safe, we will all do great, and this war, only humanity will win. Okay guys, so see you everyone. Thank you everyone. Take care, stay happy, stay chill, and kuch nahi hoga guys, we'll all be great. Thank you everyone.